In WhatsApp, there is a feature called disappearing messages. What this means is, normally WhatsApp messages don't get deleted automatically, but disappearing messages in WhatsApp get deleted automatically. Anyways, in this video we'll be telling about how to send disappearing messages in WhatsApp. For this, what you need to do is open WhatsApp. After opening WhatsApp, select the contact to which you want to send message. For example, I am selecting this contact. After selecting that contact, above you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. Here you can see one option, disappearing messages. Click on this disappearing messages. Here you can see message timer. By default, it is set to off. If you want to turn on disappearing messages, you need to select any of this time. If you want that message to delete automatically after 24 hours, you can set this to 24 hours, or if you want to delete it after 7 days, you can do that also, and 90 days option is also there. You can set this according to your preference. After selecting above, you can see back button. Click on this back button, and now here you can see you updated the message timer. New message will disappear from this chat 24 hours after they are sent. When disappearing message is turned on, above near profile photo you can see disappearing message sign. If you are going to first page also, near to profile photo you can see disappearing message sign. Now I am sending one message to this number. Now this message will be deleted in 24 hours. Now if you want to turn off this disappearing message, what you need to do is, above you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. Here you can see disappearing messages option. In that, in message timer you can see off option. Click on this off. After that, go back. Now here you can see one notification. You turned off disappearing messages. So now disappearing message is turned off. You can see above near profile photo that sign is also not there. So this way you can use disappearing message in WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.